Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Gala video update for Sunday 14th of August. Now yesterday I did talk about Gala breaking this particular trend line right over there, and I gave you a technical target that you potentially could be looking for Gala to be heading for 0.07083, and so far we've been doing that one right now. Okay, now I don't like to trade during the weekends, and this is something that rarely you're ever going to see in the market, that the coin itself is exploding during the weekends. Now keep in mind that there is a place on the daily time frame that you could actually come down for the retest, and that's this level down here near 0.06538. So if Gala by chance starts to retrace in the next coming days, you might see Gala coming down here to 6538, give an entry opportunity, and then the next technical target that we're talking about is going to be from the top here to the bottom, and you're looking for a technical target from there to there. If it does come down for the retest and this one being your entry, then that's going to be 41% move to the upside. So can you go for the retest? You never know. If things get bullish, it can just suddenly explode to that technical target, which is going to be this one. I do believe, it's not a financial advice, but I do see this one actually going up there. If it does go straight, it's a different story. But in my opinion, there should be a little bit of a retest to backtest the EMAs and Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.